Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to activate your Wisely card. So let's get started. So here we'll just go and search for the Wisely app. So here we'll just go to the My Wisely or Wisely app. So activating is easy. You can first of all accept the term and condition. So here we'll just click on Get Started. So here you have to put card number, expiration date, your security code and social security number. From here then do next and it will send you the OTP, and after entering the OTP it will ask some verification details and government details you can give, and your card will be activated. So this is how to activate your Wisely card, and if you have any question related to this you can let me know in my comment section. And if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.